If you want to get in really great shape, but you don't want to give up all the delicious snacks that you enjoy eating, stick around because by the end of this video, you will be learning several very practical tactics for getting in shape and still eating the snacks that you love. So how can you do that? By eating snacks? Well, it comes from being mindful of the amount of calories you need to eat and the amount of protein you need to have. I've got a video link somewhere around here that you can click on and watch that will show you how to get those numbers. So once you have those numbers, how do you eat the snacks? Like, how do you find snacks that are high in protein and pretty low in calories? And a trick to know if a food is high protein is by looking at the amount of protein, multiplying it by 10, and if that number is greater than the amount of calories, you're good to go. So if you're eating something that's 20 grams of protein and 200 calories, you multiply 20 by 10, that's 200. 200 is equal to the 200 calories, you're good to go. But let's say you're eating something that's 200 calories and it's only 10 grams of protein. 10 times 10 is 100. 200 is much greater than 100. So that would be a snack that I consider not high protein. So if you're looking to add more protein-rich foods to your arsenal of meals that you're eating throughout the day, I have a link in the description below and in the comments section that you can click on. You don't have to give me your email or anything like that. You just click the link. It'll bring you to a PDF of 30 high-protein foods and snacks that you can eat and quickly order off of Amazon. And then in it, you can just click on the item that you want that looks good, and you can get it delivered right to your door straight through Amazon. That's actually where I got these two items from. And then there's also other pre-made protein shakes you can order from Amazon as well. So some of the snacks that I enjoy eating that are very high in protein are protein bars. Pure Protein is a really good brand. I get a lot of their stuff. This is 200 calories and there's 20 grams of protein. So this is a high protein snack right here. So if you eat this first thing in the morning, that's 20 grams of protein. Very easy to take with you if you're on the go, very easy to eat as well. Another trick that I do is I have started getting these pre-made protein shakes. I get this at a grocery store called Aldi. This comes in like a pack of 4, and the 4-pack is about $6. So for about $1.50, you're able to get 30 grams of protein on the go, and this is only 170 calories. So this is almost twice the amount of protein as this, but this is still less calories, which is pretty neat. If you were to drink one of these and eat one of these in the morning, you're at 50 grams of protein. That's pretty good. One of my trainers, he actually got me into this. This is just like pepperoni slices, turkey meat specifically. And this is really awesome because you don't have to refrigerate it. Like, it literally was just like sitting out in a box at the grocery store like this. And this is about 10 grams of protein at 70 calories. But if you eat this entire thing, it's 50 grams of protein. Like, that's pretty good. This whole little package, 50 grams of protein. So let's say you had this for breakfast, 50 grams, and then you ate this as like a lunch. That's another 50 grams. Right here, 100 grams of protein. It's a pretty good deal. Another trick, this is from that Pure Protein brand. I told you I get a good amount of their stuff. This little bag of chips is 12 grams of protein per serving. The amount of calories is 150. So the calories is a bit high compared to the amount of protein that you get, but it's still pretty dang close to being like right up there as I mean, this is way more protein than you'd get from a bag of potato chips for sure. Way less calories for sure. So at 12 grams of protein, very easy way to satiate that feeling of needing to eat a bag of chips while still being able to get your protein in it. But these pork rinds, this is what actually got me into looking at high protein chips to begin with, because this whole bag is about 50 grams of protein. Pretty good. So at 80 calories per serving, you're getting 7 grams of protein. Again, like, the protein could be higher. I think the calories is mainly because it's like the fat that's in these chips. But this is literally like a fantastic, like, it's delicious. This whole bag is delicious. And at 50 grams of protein, that is pretty great. So you've got this combo right here for breakfast, 50 grams of protein. You eat this as a snack, another 50 grams of protein. You eat this whole bag of chips, another 50 grams of protein. And then you snack on this for 12. Then you snack on this for 12 grams of protein. You're looking at 162 grams of protein just from snacks. And then throw in like a 50 gram protein shake after a workout, you're looking at 212 grams of protein just from these snacks alone. So it's like little tricks and things like that that can really make the journey much easier for you when it comes to getting in the amount of protein that you need every single day. So this is a great way of getting that protein without overdoing it in the calorie department, because that's where a lot of people go wrong, is they'll just eat a lot of calories trying to bulk, but all the extra calories do is just build more fat because they're still lacking the amount of protein that you need. So if you found this video to be helpful for you, it would be very awesome if you hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments that you would like to share, write it in the comments section below. Trying to make this a communicative type of community. I will reply back to every comment. Challenge me on that one. Thank you so much for sticking around. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.